All right, this is our campsite 11 at Lake Linden Village, and my husband's actually hooking up the R-Pod. Forgot to take a video, so I'm taking it in the rain as we leave today, which is not ideal. So this site, you can see water is up here up front, and then we're gonna go over here. It's a gravel site. We're gonna go over here and you can see it's a 30 amp hookup. Oh, this tree keeps me nice and dry. And there's 110 in there as well. We've got a charcoal grill right here, and we back up to this really nice hill, and up the hill there's rustic camping for a few spots up there. So coming back to the trailer, we'll go around this way. Oh, it's wet. So we've got a nice big space back here. 10 and 11 are kind of coveted spots because they're close to the bathroom, close to Wi-Fi, and they back up to the hill. So you can see we have a fire pit in the ground. We've got, you can see the hill back there. And then coming around to the side, we have a picnic table that is movable, and then a stationary, smaller, older picnic table. And this site is actually very shady. I'll back up so you can see it's probably one of the most shaded sites. So you've got these nice big spruce or whatever they are. I think that one's a blue spruce, and these other pine trees. So super cool in the daytime when it's sunny and not raining, and very nice to have your afternoon sunblock too. Then you can see, we can see the lake from the spot. I'm gonna go under our awning to stay dry for a sec. But backing in is kind of difficult. The street here, you can see it's a little narrow. So backing in, you have to pull into spots across. It's fine for us because we have a 20-foot trailer, but I've seen some of the larger, like, you know, big fifth wheels have problems backing in to these spots. But the middle spots are all pull through. So if you're gonna come here, and you have a big rig, I would suggest a pull through. And then just gonna keep walking in the rain. So you can see over here there's a playground. This is part of Lake Linden Village Park. So there's just playground equipment, teeter-totters, merry-go-round, things like that. And then the pavilion here, there's an outdoor shower, and then access to Torch Lake, both a swimming area and then a boat launch. And I don't think we're gonna be able to see it, but if I come around here, there's actually a disc golf course right behind the bathrooms there. Yeah, you can't see it from here, but there's a disc golf course as part of the Lake Linden Village Park. And then one more thing with the bathrooms, there's a men's and a women's. Each one has one shower and 3 stalls, but then there's also a family bathroom on this side that we're looking, and on the opposite side there's a family shower. So lots of options for you in case like one of the showers are full. I never had a problem when I was using the restroom in here. There was never any other people in it, so that's nice. And then there is a dumpster right near the bathroom area, and then there's a trail. If you're in the rustic camp zone, there's actually a gravel trail for you to go up and down to go to the bathrooms. All right, this is the bathroom, the women's bathroom, and the doors are locked. We'll go in. There's a code for the door that they give you when you check in. There's 3 sinks, some paper towel, a small mirror with a makeup shelf, soap, and this big door is the shower, so we'll go in there first. And it has a little changing area with a bench, and then you come around to this side, and oh, that door is loud. You come around to this side, and here's the shower. And then come back out here with this wide door. There's 3 stalls, and you can kind of see just typical bathrooms with very loud, creaky hinges. But the bathrooms are really clean. So while it's small, most of the rigs here obviously are self-contained, but this is a super clean bathroom. There's also a family bathroom and then a men's restroom in the same bathroom area. This campground is part of Lake Linden Village Park. So you've got horseshoe pits, There's picnic tables that are covered, and you're right on Torch Lake. There's also a dock, so you can launch like small boats, kayaks, things like that. There's a boat ramp just around the corner over there. And then there's also a pavilion, and beyond that there is a playground. These are spots 21 through I believe 27, which are in the back of the park. You can see they have a really great view of Torch Lake. They are partially shaded, at least in the morning, blocked by these big pine trees behind it, and all of the sites are pull-through. Now we'll walk back towards our site. You can see super close to the bathroom. It's the second one in, 11. And there's my husband getting us all ready to go.